What's up, you guys? I know my hair is a hot mess, which is why I'm coming on here first things first to show you guys exactly what I'm gonna do just to wrap my hair. Wash day needs to happen real soon, as in like 2 weeks ago. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to wrap my hair with this wrap. This is actually from Wrapped by Nails. I use a lot of her wraps. This video is not sponsored, but a lot of you guys asked me how I wrap my hair, so I decided to come on here and show you. So before I do anything, I usually wet my hair with a spray bottle, but I can't find my spray bottle, so I'm just gonna quickly add some water to the front of my hair because I do have a lot of product buildup in the front here. So let's go ahead and do that. So just wetting my hair in the front. And then I'm just adding some Eco Styler to the front of my hair. This is like, I'm just doing this really quickly, you guys. Like, there's no finesse in this because I do want to just get out the house. And then after that, I just take my hair and put it into a puff. And I am actually going to use my BUNZEE band. If you guys, I have a review on these on my channel, so definitely check the link in the description box or I will link it above. But I really like these for my puffs because they don't snag my hair and I don't get a headache with these because it's not super tight. So yeah, it really doesn't matter how your puff looks. You just want to put all of your hair at the top because that's what's going to give you that voluminous like wrap look. Super quickly, I'm just gonna do some basic edges, nothing too serious because I'm just going for a walk, but as I said, I just wanted to show you guys what I do. I really could just drive there, but basically the reason why we are going where we're going is because I had recently gotten RAELYN some kinetic sand for her birthday, but I didn't realize the package was so small, and my girls are like so into it. Like, they spend so much time playing, so I did tell them that I'm gonna order it, but everywhere I was gonna order it from was gonna take forever, so we're actually I'm just gonna surprise them and we're gonna go ahead to Mastermind Toys and pick it up. Okay, so I got some basic edges going on here. Nothing too serious. Oops, I'm like dropping everything. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take my wrap. This is pretty much how wide it is. So I just like to fold mine at the front just a tiny bit, like this. So I just folded it over, and then I am going to put that on my hair like this, making sure that the back is covered here. You want to make sure that there is enough of fabric to cover your puff. My puff is a little bit bigger, so I actually don't need to create a lip, actually. So as you can see, I didn't fold it. I unfolded it at the back here. So none of my wraps end up looking the same, by the way, so that's that. But today I'm just gonna take it like this, making sure that my hair is all tucked in, and I'm literally just going to start wrapping. Like, as I said, I really don't have a specific way that I wrap. I just take it and wrap things around until I like how it looks. There really, as I said, there's no like perfect way to wrap. I just like to leave my ears in, but I'm just gonna push it over slightly and pull it out so that my edges are showing. And that's pretty much it, you guys. Super fast, super simple. It's really great for the days that it's great for the days that, you know, your hair is a mess when I want to finesse this style, I usually like do more dramatic edges, and I set them with a satin scarf, but I need to get out the house. These girls are driving me crazy because they've been asking me where we're going, when we're going, what are we getting, etc, etc. So I definitely need to get out, but I am going to try my best to vlog today as I was saying, so follow me along and see where we're going, what we're doing. So yeah, we'll see you guys soon.
So we are outside, everyone, and we're gonna go to the park now. Yeah.
We're not going to the park first. We're gonna go for a special walk in the wagon. Where do you guys think we're going though?
I know.
Where?
Somewhere that we're going to celebrate RAELYN's birthday cake.
You think for RAELYN? Her birthday was a whole week ago. Okay guys, so we...
Can I make one more guess on that?
Alright, make one more guess.
Missrayy's.
You think we're going to Missrayy's house?
Yeah.
In a wagon?
Yeah, we need a car because
Missrayy's house is far, right?
yeah.
So I don't think it's Missrayy's house. Who says we're going to the doctor?
We're not going to the doctor.
We are not going to the doctor's.
No.
So RAELYN thinks we're going to the doctor's. Rain, where do you think we're going? Rain's still thinking about it, but it's like a 30-minute walk, you guys. I also needed exercise, so I figured, you know what, might as well get some exercise and also do something for the girls. Ready?
Yeah! Go fast on the second blow!
I can't go faster.
Go!
I am going.
Go faster!
They still have no idea where we're going, guys. I forgot my phone at home, and the place closes at 5, and I have no idea what time it is right now. So I'm just hoping that we get there before 5, because this is a long walk for nothing. I don't know whose idea it was to pull a wagon and vlog at the same time, but here we are. We are getting closer though. What's your guess?
Are we going to the mall? That's really fun.
You think we're going to the mall?
Yeah.
No, the mall is closed.
Mall's closed?
Yeah, we can't go to the mall because of COVID, remember?
Right.
Because people are sick.
I got it, Chuck!
You're right.
There's toys in there.
Here.
Yeah.
Mask, mask, mask.
I don't want to wear it.
Mask, mask, mask.
But we have to wear asses so I can keep all safe.
You're right. I have a curbside pickup, but I forgot my phone. Oh, that's okay.
I know.
What's it gonna be?
Toys.
Toys, toys, toys. I don't know. Are you guys ready to open the bag?
Yes.
All right, open it up and see what it is. What is it? Your sand that you wanted. Are you guys excited? All right, guys, so we got the sand.
Can we play with sand at the park?
No, we can only play with it at home. RAELYN, you're pulling? We got some snacks.
We got snacks from Tin Portents.
From where?
From Tin Portents.
Tim Hortons? Oh. What is it called, RAELYN?
Tin Portents. And we got donuts. Come on, it's donuts.
Ooh. Excited to eat those? Okay, put them down before it falls. What do you want to say, RAELYN?
I want to say hi, and we're eating this.
A bagel?
A bagel sandwich. We really like this bagel sandwich in town.
It's the best sandwich in town. What you gotta say, Rim?
I like this bagel. I like this bagel too much.
And I like this bagel too much. We're honestly just chilling because your girl is tired. I walked a whole like 35 minutes briskly pulling them because, as I said, I didn't know what time the store was gonna close, but thankfully we got there in time. They didn't seem as excited as I thought they would, but I'm sure as soon as we get home, they'll be super excited to test out their product, to test out the sand and all that kind of stuff. I actually didn't bring my mic, so I apologize about the sound. I really should have put my mic on my camera, but I didn't.
And guess what, guys? She forgot her phone at home.
I did forget my phone at home.
And she told her address, but she didn't got her phone. She asked her to run back home and get it.
I didn't run back home. So I was a little bit concerned because obviously with curbside pickup, you have to call them. And I didn't have my phone, so basically I had to knock on the door and wait for them to come. Thankfully they were pretty nice. They just asked me my last name and it was pretty quick and easy. So that was pretty awesome. We're almost finished our little snack.
Yeah, because this actually is a dinner lunch and this was actually quite hungry. So that's why we got this snack. So that's why it's like an early dinner.
It's like an early dinner. Yeah, you're right. It's kind of like a lunch. It's like a late lunch.
It's like a morning lunch.
A late lunch.
No, a morning lunch.
Whatever you want to call it, man. Rain's new obsession is tie-dye, you guys.
Tie-dye. Tie-dye girl.
She loves herself some tie-dye. Right, Rain?
That's why Mama got her tie-dye.
Alright guys, so we're gonna start walking because we do have a long way home.
And also guys, we got a slushie!
Clearly they are sugar high now. Yeah, so we're gonna start walking back. We might just stop by like the creek for a little bit just to see if there's like some ducks. The girls like to do that. But yeah. We might go to the park for a little bit. I don't know. Depends on how tired I am. I also still have to go to the groceries. So there's that, but...
Mama, rain spills only a little bit, but it's okay on the ground.
I didn't even get any of this. You guys drank almost all of it.
No, we didn't.
Yes, you did.
Can I have some, please?
No, that's it. That's it. Okay, say bye, guys. Say we'll see you soon.
See you soon, everyone, and hit the thumbs up. Yeah, comment down below.
What should they comment down below?
Check out our new channel video. It's our new videos. Bye. On our jelly thing, and go on that and hit that subscribe button and then.
Oh, you're telling them to watch your jelly bean challenge video?
Yeah. Make sure you watch new videos. Bye. But where's the ducks? But where's the ducks? They're not there.
They're not there.
Meh. I see a pigeon. Come on. Hey, come here. Come here on the grass.
Why? What do you see?
Actually, is it like the soft and fuel, guys?
What do you think it is?
The blowy thing? Feel it, guys. Feel it. Feel, Mama.
I don't want to feel it.
No, it feels soft. I feel on the top.
Oh, it does look really soft. What do you think it is?
I think it's a blowy thing.
Like the dandelions?
No, blowy thing.
They're called dandelions. Come off of me, Ray. Alright, let's go, RAELYN.
No, you have to feel it first. You have to feel it. Come on,
I felt it. It is very soft.
Rick, come on. You have to feel it. It feels so soft. I don't want to feel it.
Okay, let's go. So that's basically it for the rest of this vlog, you guys. We did end up going to the park and doing a bunch of other stuff, but I was so tired by the time we got to the park. I did not want to film anymore. My legs were tired as soon as I got home. I just laid on the couch. So yeah, but we thank you guys so much for watching. I do plan to have more family vlogs on my channel, so definitely stay tuned. But as always, I thank you guys so much for supporting me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. But for now, I'll say toodles.